Okay, I already drilled here hole, and this one you can buy easily in Home Depot. And here I just added a second rubber that it pushes and no leaks anywhere. Okay, simply you take out this one and I drill the hole and you push it inside. For my situation I can screw it inside. And see, here's the rubber, there will be no leak. And simply then you take it, and here is second rubber, and you can screw it. And that's so easy how to make it. You can put the rubber, screw it. You can put the rubber and put it inside. And you see, it's ready. Here you can turn it on or off. Easy, or you put the pipe. And that's easy.